welcome to something. I don't know what to call it. Makeup video with Amy. Just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna do a makeup. So this will be because we're having a girl night, and this will be a chit chat, makeup, drinking, whatever. I will see. I will name it. Okay, so we will start. We have a primer. We shall not use a primer. So some brushes that I bought her. Baby proof. I can't open it. Oh. Please remember, I have to. Oh. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh my god! Oh, okay. So, young lady. And done! She's ready to go out for party! Woo! Okay.
Gonna think about doing art as a profession. Or
my paintings.
Yeah.
No, drawing and painting is more like a hobby of mine.
Yeah.
So like, I did this one. Then I did the one on my shoulder. But like, if I want a tattoo, I want it to be original. I want to do it myself. But like, the rest of the paintings.
Yeah.
Falling down through the clouds, I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me. sun is out here overseas.
So this is first time using eyelashes, so test the same a bit, just in case I have an allergic reaction. So if we suddenly go offline quickly, then you know why, but hopefully it'll be alright. How bad can it be, eh? But yeah, I just want to test. Jenny is beautiful well. She does really well with her videos, and you really watch. They're really good. Hair, beautiful makeup. I've seen lots of her very good tips. Yeah, and hope you're all having a good Friday night.
I feel that I've been chasing dreams. Keep holding.
What do I need to do?
Just close your eyes. You look really good in lashes. Honestly.
I wear lashes now.
No, but guys, like, look. That's with the lashes, and that's without. Look up in the camera. That's. Look up there. Just look up. Look, don't look in the screen. Just look up. Look up on the camera. That's what it looks like. So, like, I'll show her later. Just look at the camera, woman. That's what it looks like. It's like when she looks straight at me. Look straight at me. It looks good. Like if I would sit like this and you just look down, you wouldn't be able to see properly. I have to look up for you guys to see properly. Magnetic.
Okay.
Lashes. Oh my god! Hey guys. Moving. Oh no, you need to look up.
Oh.
There. Look in there. You don't have to stare like that. Okay, but that's the look that I made.
Bingo.
Like a little bit of glam and glitter and you know me. So yeah, so that's the look. We take that off. You don't wear. Look at that! Oh my god, isn't she gorgeous? Sleep in my bed.
Yeah.
But yeah, look. So that's the look tonight. Oh my god, look at my hair. I do not know what to call it, or I do not know what I'm going to call this video, but it's sure as hell going to be long. But have patience with us. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. We're gonna go and have fun now.
Bye.
See you later. Love you. Bye.